Hello, welcome visitors. It's nice to meet you again. On this occasion, I am going to create a program for tuning on an AC or air conditioner every Thursday until Saturday from 7 to 10 using the Amron PLC application. Okay, for the first time I should open an application of Amron, which here it's CX Programmer. I double click here. Okay, now the program has been opened. Now I'm going to click File, click New. Okay, for this program use the date comparison instruction to control the time. So the configuration of the program is like the table below. Now I'm going to write down the comparison of the program. RTC time. Then I choose device type CP1L. Then network type USB. Click OK. Okay, I am going to create the first instruction now. First I click New PLC instruction, then I put it here, and the address is for the first instruction greater than equal DT space state 38 space A351 space D100. Okay, I fill the address greater than equal DT space state 38 space A351 space D100. Clear? Okay. Comment hour, minute, second. Clear? Okay. Comment hour, minute, second. Clear? Okay. Now I am going to make the second instruction. I put it here. So the address is less than equal DT space state 38 space A351 space D110. Okay, come back to the program again. I fill the address less than equal DT space state 38 space A351 space D110. Clear? Okay. Address hour, minute, second. Clear? Okay. The command is hour, minute, second. Clear? Okay. Now I'm going to create the set instruction. I put it here. Then the address is greater than equal A354 space H4. Okay, come back to the program again. Greater than equal space A354 space stage 4. Clear? Okay. Then the comment is D. Clear? Okay. Next, I am going to make the first instruction. I put it here. So the address is less than equal space A354 space hashtag 6. Okay, come back to the program again. Yes. I put the address less than equal space A354 space hashtag 6. Clear? Okay. The comment D. Clear? Okay. Next, I'm going to get a horizontal line. Click here and I put it here and then connect to the right side. And then I get a new coil. I put it here. So the address is 100. 100 is channel number of Omron PLC. And then point 00. The 00 at the end means the phase output number of Omron PLC. Then I click OK. AC or air conditioner. AC or air conditioner. Clear? Okay. Next, I am going to make two move instructions. The move instructions are used to transfer the time setting to D100 and to D110. Move instructions are used for transferring and backing up data in the memory D100 and memory D110. You must create two move instructions. The move instructions are used to transfer the value of the time setting to the memory D100 and D110. The time setting for D100 is 7 and for D110 is 10. Also, the move instructions are also used for backing up the data in the memories. Next, after collapsing the program, if we want to run the program again, we do not need to set the value of the time setting anymore. Okay, now let's see the formulas of the move instruction. For first move instruction, MOV state 7 D101. For the second move instruction, MOV state 10 D111 or 111. Okay, come back to the program again. Now I am going to create the first move instruction. I get a new contact and normally open contact. I click here and then put it here and I choose the kind of the contact. P on. click OK. Then I get a horizontal line and then put it here, connect to the right side. Then I get a new PLC instruction, click and put it here. So the address is MOP space stage 7 space D101 and click OK. The command time. Okay, I'm going to create the second move instruction. I get a vertical line and I put it here. Okay, next, and then I get a horizontal line, put it here and connect to the right side. Then I get a new PLC instruction, click and put it here. So the address is move stage 10 space D111 click OK. The command time, click OK. Okay, the visitors, the program has been ready. Now I'm going to simulate the program. First I click online simulator. I click here. Then I click PLC clock. Now before I continue the simulation, I will explain in detail how the program works. The time setting for D100 is transferred from phase move instruction from D101, and then the time setting for D110 is transferred from second move instruction from D111. The first move instruction transfer the value of 7 as time setting to memory D100. The second move instruction transfer the value of 10 as the time setting to memory D110. So the program will work from 7 to 10 every Thursday until Saturday. The value of 4 means Thursday. The value of 6 means Saturday. Day of the week. 4 means Thursday and 6 means Saturday. The program will work from 7 to 10 every Thursday until Saturday. But today is Wednesday, so the program will not work. That is why you can see the ignition is still off. Also the time now is 0:44 minutes 44 seconds. So the time on my computer does not match with the setting time on this program. Okay, let's set the time. I choose Saturday, 30th of April, 30th of April. Of April 2020, and the time I changed to 7:00 minutes 00 seconds. So if I click OK, the air conditioner will be on. Click OK? Yes, the air conditioner is on now. Now I try to set the time again. I click option, click set policy clock, and then the date is still the same, 30th of April 2020, but the time I changed to 11:00 minute of second. Okay, the time on my computer is 11, but the time according to the program is 7 to 10. So if I click OK, the air conditioner will be off. Okay, click. Yes, it's right. The conditioner is off now. Okay, I said the time again. Click option, click set the clock. Now I choose of May 2020. It is Friday, but the time is still 9. Okay, the day is Friday, 5th of June 2020 is Friday. Okay, the times on my computer matches with the time setting on this program. So if I click OK, the air conditioner will be on. Click. Yes, it's right. Okay, now I want to set the time again. Click option, click set policy clock, and I set the day, 31st of May 2020. 31st of May 2020 is Sunday. The time is still 9. So if I click OK, the air conditioner will be off, because the time on my computer does not match with the time setting on this program. This program works from 7 to 10 every Thursday to Saturday, but the time on my computer now, the time is at 9 and the day is Sunday. So the air conditioner will be off. Okay, I click OK. Yes, it's right. Okay, visitors, the program will work according to the symbol of the program, greater than or equal. The program will work at 7 or after 7. According to the symbol of the program, less than or equal, it means the program will stop working at 10 or before 10. And then the program will work only every Thursday until Saturday. So on Sunday, on Monday, on Tuesday, on Wednesday, the program cannot work because it does not match with the time setting on this program. Okay, I want to show you where D101 and D111 or 111 comes from. Okay, I'm going to show you where memory D101 and D111 come from. Okay, I click memory. I click D. Then I put here 100, the same with memory D100. Okay, enter. Now I can find D100 and then I can find D110, the same. Then I click monitors. Click monitors. I find the value of 7 at D100 and then the value of 10 at D110. At D100 the time setting is 7 here, and at D110 the time setting is 10. So I want to show you D101 and D111. If I click 7, I get D101. If I click 10, I get D111. So you have known where D101 comes from and where D111 comes from. Okay, visitors, that's all what I can explain to you, how to create a program for tuning on an AC or air conditioner every Thursday until Saturday. This video could be useful to whom it concerns, and see you later.